you get a tractor? Did you get the bus?
Greetings, I am Buzz Lightyear. Sometimes it's not easy being a toy, especially if you accidentally get trapped. To infinity and beyond.
Whoa!
Goodbye, my friend. See you in the next adventure.
Wow.
Joseph, Santa very nice to you, wasn't he?
Hey, what's this? It should be halfway.
I don't care, just... Will I,
Sit down.
will I open it? Okay.
They go open my book.
Yeah.
Mommy, Daddy, go open, Mommy.
Wow. Wow. Santa bring you cool presents.
That is some tractor, isn't it?
Wow, we. Let's go do work. No. Recycle it. Look,
Show how the dumper goes up and down, Mammy.
you got to put your feet on it. Sit here.
No, I need socks.
You need your sockies. They're in the hall.
Okay, I got sockies.
That's my big one.
Did you have a present? To all your presents.
No, for me.
And for Joseph.
Yeah, do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was Santa very nice? Did you not hear him during the night?
Yeah.
Daddy heard him. He went, ho, 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 Joseph's a very good boy. I don't see his dad. It's killing me. Okay, what other presents you want to open up?
Okay.
That's okay.
I'm going to stop and start again.
Yeah, do.
The one